See?
She was trying to remove the antenna, but it didn't seem to be able to make it. It collided with the bridge. It seems that the boat path is quite narrow. What's it going to happen next? Why must always like to collide with bridges? It is possible to reduce the height of the mast. This boat was deliberately crawling through the narrow crevice of the bridge without regard to warning, and the result was an expensive collision. Did you hear anything? It is a collision that's going to cost him a lot of money. The sailboat lost power and hit the port of Miami Chain Bridge. I don't know how many times he crossed this bridge and still made this mistake, so he's going to have to lose a significant amount of money.
Piano piano. Vada, ferma bene, fermalo bene.
Why not wait for a low tide? You can see in this situation that the captain don't know anything about freeboard measure. Lord, looks like the tugboats were pulling it through under the bridge and slowed down. Allowed the current to push it off to the side where it's tighter, and it got caught on the Malacha Pass bridge. Despite attempts to pull it down, it got swept away by Hurricane Eta, and its own things across may have damaged it beyond repair.